Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhali. Mbombela Stadium is where I met. It's full-time Petro Premiership clash. Sikukuna versus TS Galaxy. A game as of two which has ended in a one goal defeating in favor of Sikukuna defeating TS Galaxy. The fortune. Yakubingelela out here. Matota. After a loss against Mamelodi Sundowns in the league, you come back to winning ways against TS Galaxy away from home 1-0. Nthatha 3 points wonke ndoda.
Ai nna le hono ke thabile vele ka baka la gore vele re lositse game ka mola Polokwane ke moka away re hoditse 3 point.
Sure. Awuchami ngicela igame namuhla basini le game lebenzeni kuyo nduna yami. You guys lost le game lethu weSundowns eyachaka kabuhlungu nduna yami 2-0 lapho ke niyabuya namuhla nibuyisa ngeligolela i1 eli goal lapho ke gameini leli goal lelo lelikorile early in the game lincetse nganani ukuthi nikhona kulawula itempo ye game nokuthi nehlise ipressure lebenzeni ithola to TS Galaxy.
Ke no hotsa hore bana re khonile go kora ke moka ra khona o laola game until ibile e tlo khona fela ele ya Sundowns ya maloba re traile go controlla go padile mafellong until for like 90 minutes until at that time ke mo le re batlile ba re khona gona
Sure
ke moka ya today re traile ka mogolo re ka try ka gona re korile 1 early minutes until re tlo survive re hotsa 3 point gae 3 point go
3 points
3 points gae
so na ungene ku queen 3 points ungene ku queen awuthaba
3 point o tsene ka potleng
ay man
re ala 3 point the biggest spot 3 point biggest spot
awuthaba fortune le game yanamuhla nduna yami bekubaluleke nganani lokuthi niyiwine namuhla to keep le chance lenayo nduna yami of top 8 and possibly winning the league nale momentum lenayo ukuthi niqhubeke nivuselele bekubaluleke nganani se game le yanamuhla niyiwine le after niqale ngendlela lengathi yathembisanyana against isikhathi kuqala ileague resume for second round na draw against Orlando Pirates nahamba naye yodlana Sundowns kwabi lose namhlanje nikhamka la eMbombela nikhamka ninako koyi2 lana bese nizama kubuyisa lokwesitri ukuthi nibe nako konke lekukhona ebholeni nithole iwin namuhla bekubaleke nganani ukuthi ewin ithole le namuhla
wa bona game today go re like be re gapeletša gore win ka baka la gore vele obvious re nyako ba mo top 8 re gapeletša gore be mo top 8 re gapeletšega so game re win ya wa re thabila go ne bothata felo re happy ka moka ga rena Beresford, Shala Beresford. Sikukune United babina nogo.
Bathi babina
babina nogo.
Ariba
hlabe.
Azoke, thank you for tuning out.